really like the way I look in that one.
Hey, what are your names?
Melissa.
Mike. Is that the Galaxy S25?
Yeah, I just got it.
Cool. So, what are you up to?
Well, we've both been taking pics, but, we can't find one we both look good in.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
But there's an easy fix for that.
Find a new boyfriend?
Whoa, okay.
I'm kidding.
No.
I'm kidding.
You can swap your best face into the shot to get one great pic.
Really?
Here, let me show you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just press motion photo. Ready? Smile.
I look great.
I'm still squinting in that one.
Don't worry. Swipe up here. Choose best face.
Oh, that one's nice.
See?
Wow.
Whoa,
You can't even tell.
that's so cool.
No more fighting over pictures.
Were we fighting?